Hey everyone, it's Dr. Bricky Boy here, and I changed my username, so I'm really happy. It's Dr. Bricky Boy here, and I am going to teach you how to make a Lego alarm clock with a nice smooth table. Now first you're going to need one of these 2x4 pieces. Any color, just the colors have to match with the rest of the table. Then you just take two 1x2 smooths, put them like that, then two 1x2 smooths again with the little stud in the middle. I don't know what they're called though. Then one of these pieces, I have no idea what this is called. It's like this up and down piece. You see. And you stick that on there. And then you need this little clock 1x2 smooth piece. Say 1021 or 1201. And you just stick it on there. And it's a little alarm clock with a little post. And well, that's it. And in a Lego house, you can just put it in a bedroom, like right next to a bed. Like so. Psst, you're supposed to do the outro. Huh? Oh yeah. Well, I'm Dr. Bricky Boy, and as always, have a Bricky day. Goodbye, guys.